Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. One cryptocurrency that even this skeptic is buying. Admit it, I've never really been on the cryptocurrency train. While I can fully appreciate the potential of crypto's underlying blockchain technology, simply creating an unlimited number of alternative, unregulated currencies out of thin air sets the stage for disaster. Everything prompts a reaction of some sort sooner or later. Often, those reactions are unforeseen and undesirable outcomes. However, there are a couple of up-and-comers that have caught my eye of late. Of the two in question, I might end up actually taking a shot on Stellar Lumen, Crypto, XLM. The clear purpose, that makes perfect sense ever since they moved into the mainstream. One of my chief hangups with cryptocurrencies has been their limited degree of practical use. For crypto to be a successful alternative to fiat money, enough sellers must be willing to accept it as payment, and enough buyers must be willing to use it as a means of payment. That has been the underlying reason so many cryptocurrencies and related stocks have been struggling of late. Not enough participants can agree on which of a plethora of altcoins out there are the ones to commonly utilize. Most of the early ones were established without a particular usage in mind. Stellar Lumens, to be precise, isn't hampered by this philosophical flaw. Established back in 2014 on its own built-in token called the Lumen, Stellar's network is built from the ground up to allow large organizations to do cost-effective cross-border business with ease. And they have. Over the course of the past 7 years, the platform has facilitated over 450 million transactions, allowing payers to make payments in their local currency and payment recipients to receive payments in their local currency. The coolest part is that Stellar works with any currency, fiat and otherwise. The stablecoin United States dollars coin, for instance, is also compatible with the Stellar network. Stellar Lumens is in good company, and limited supply. It remains to be seen whether Stellar Lumens will end up being one of the world's preferred cryptos a requirement, if there's to be any hope for the price stability needed to make a particular digital money a reasonably safe means of storing, conveying, or receiving value. Otherwise, it continues to be little more than a speculative coin toss. The Stellar platform certainly got the right support to become the platform of choice among the world's key players though. Technology giant International Business Machines, better known as IBM, is partnering with Stellar to offer IBM's corporate clients cross-border payment solutions, touting the network's speed and low usage costs. MoneyGram, Liquid Mortgage, and Abu Bank are also working directly with Stellar to make cross-border deal-making easier and quicker. At the very least, would-be buyers can embrace the fact that no more of this cryptocurrency will be mined, diluting the current float in the process. If a company wants to plug into the Stellar network to use its impressive payment capabilities, it's going to have to buy some in the open market. That's a bullish backdrop, not to mention a solid start for today's owners. The official Twitter account Stellar Lumens recently posted a post about longer-term impact of SWIFT ban on Russian banks. Yesterday, Europe, the United States, Canada, and the UK agreed to ban certain Russian banks from the SWIFT messaging system, the primary global network used for cross-border payments. On the one hand, the West seems to have little choice following Russia's invasion of Ukraine. However, in many ways, this is a financial nuclear option. Going nuclear has blowback. Using this weapon now at the range lows and highs, which offered excellent trading opportunities for intraday traders. The Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, showed that $121 has significance, and would need to be flipped to support for traders to ride to momentum upward. The OBV has slid lower in recent days, a sign that selling pressure had been higher in recent days. The OSM oscillator did not show momentum favoring either side. Stellar Development Foundation debuts $30 million matching fund. The Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, has launched a $30 million matching fund for early-stage companies building on the Stellar blockchain. The fund is a branch of SDF's enterprise fund, the firm's venture arm investing in startups within the Stellar ecosystem. It plans to match investments up to $500,000 from the lead funding source. The idea is to boost funding to early-stage companies in jurisdictions that could benefit from blockchain-powered solutions. The Stellar ecosystem is working to address challenges like inflation, affordable remittances, and the high cost of capital, and we're investing in solutions to these problems through the Matching Fund, said Senior Director of Investments Andrea Lowe in a statement. The inaugural investments are already targeting these problems. The matching fund portfolio includes Trace Finance, a cross-border payment platform using stablecoins to connect Latin American startups with overseas funding; Bitwidge, a blockchain-based payroll service focused on Latin America; Afriex, a payments app leveraging blockchain to provide free payments across Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and Uganda; and Fanvister, the crowdfund model NFT platform. SDF's venture arm has previously shown interest in funding solutions for emerging markets. In May of 2021, it invested $15 million in Airtem, a Mexico-based digital wallet and crypto exchange. That marked its largest investment to date, and followed 4 other investments in Latin American-based firms. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023. XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025. XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026.